the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign in to your Shopify account and head over to the theme section under the online store section. Now in here, go ahead and click on customize to customize your Shopify online store. Now in here at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the app embeds icon after the settings icon. So what you'll need to do in here is to click on the app embeds icon. Now in this section, you'll need to search for trust badges. Now, if you can't find trust badges in this section, you can just go ahead and head over to the Shopify App Store and look for trust badges in that area. Now, in here, go ahead and click on the install button, which you'll find at the left corner of your screen. This will redirect you to a new page where you'll need to confirm the installation of this app for your Shopify App Store. Once you're done installing this app to your store, in here you'll need to create the badge that you want to add to your Shopify App Store. So click on the create new badge, and in here you'll need to choose your badge type. Just click on select this badge type to be able to proceed to the next steps. So you can select the badge types such as single banner, icon block, and payment icons. You can name your badge. You can select the icon, the title, and the subheading for each badge. Once you're done, click on the continue to design to be able to add this badge to your Shopify store. Now go ahead and click on the continue to placement and hit on the publish button at the top right corner of your screen. Now you need to head back to your Shopify online store. You need to reload this page, and at the sidebar of your store, you'll be able to find the option to enable this app embeds for your Shopify store to be able to add the trust badges to your store.